Let me move the mouse. Sorry. Swimming! Oh no! God damn it, I'm dying. No! Oh god damn it. Oh no! Crap! Oh god. Oh crap! I'm panicking, guys! I've never had this many hiccups. Oh crap! Oh no! Oh no, I hit the wall! Oh my god! Oh, this is on the water! Okay! Oh my god! Ah shit! It didn't work! We're out of water! Oh crap! Damn it! Frankie! Brooke, do it! Save the day! 26 hiccups! I think we're okay. We're having an eep attack! Oh my god. I don't know. Oh, hey! Seriously! Ridiculous! God damn it. I've held my breath. I'm drinking some water. Oh crap. Stop drinking. Oh crap. It didn't work. I think you're okay. I think you're okay. Damn it! What the heck? Right? Nailed it! Like, this is like the worst it's ever been. Oh man. I have it on hard. Oh my god. Oh man. I'm eeping for an hour now. Oh, story time, please, story time. Just scare me. Please. I think we're okay. I think that was it. Shit! Man, really? Oh! The Emperor's Hockey! Holy crap! Holy crap. That was awesome! Did it stop my hiccups? I'm okay? Lucy! This Emperor's Hockey saved me! Thank you, Luffy! Thank you! Oh! That hockey saved you! It ended it! The Emperor's Hockey is strong, it is! Yes!